Stop letting hot leads turn ice cold. I'm about to show you how to set up instant call triggers in Follow Up Boss, so you can connect with new leads the second they arrive. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Make sure you have admin access to adjust these settings. Next, click on the Automation tab located in the top navigation bar. This is where the magic happens. Now, select the Add Automation button. This will allow you to create a brand new automation workflow. In the Add Automation section, locate the lead flow heading. Choose a source from the drop-down menu. This tells Follow Up Boss to trigger the automation only when a new lead comes in from that specific source. Scroll down to the Action section here. Select Call from the Action menu. Enter the phone number you want Follow Up Boss to call when a new lead arrives. This is typically your own phone number. Then, ensure that leads are immediately assigned to yourself or the correct team member by choosing the appropriate user. This way, Follow Up Boss knows who to connect on the call with the lead. Finally, double-check all your settings and click the Save Automation button. Your instant call trigger is now active. Follow these steps and watch your lead response time and your conversion rates soar.